Ever pondered over the power of YouTube to transform lives, even with a subscriber count shy of 1,000? Well, sit back, grab a snack, because today's tale is all about that. Once upon a time, in the bustling city of dreams, I was a regular Joe, working a regular 9 to 5. The highlight of my day? The lunch break, when I'd sneak off to a quiet corner and indulge in my secret passion, storytelling. Now, don't get me wrong, I wasn't spinning tales of knights and dragons. No, my stories were about the everyday, the mundane, the overlooked. They were about the beauty in the ordinary. One fine day, a friend with a glint in her eye suggested, "Why not share your stories with the world? Put them on YouTube." And so the seed was planted. I started a YouTube channel armed with nothing but my stories and a smartphone. The first few videos were, well, let's just say they were less blockbuster and more bargain bin. But slowly I started finding my rhythm, my voice. I discovered the art of editing, the magic of sound design, and the power of a good thumbnail. Then came the moment that changed everything. My 23rd video, a simple story about my love for coffee, somehow struck a chord. It wasn't viral, but it was something better. It was genuine. The comments started pouring in. People from across the globe connected with my story, my passion. They shared their own coffee tales, their own little moments of joy. Suddenly, my subscriber count was creeping up. 50, 100, 500. Each one a real person, a real connection. I was no longer just a regular Joe in a 9 to 5 job. I was a storyteller, reaching out to people across continents, across cultures. And then YouTube did something unexpected. It rewarded me, not with a gold play button, but with something far more valuable. It gave me a platform, a voice, a community. It gave me the chance to make a difference, to bring a smile, to share a moment. Today, I can proudly say that I am a YouTuber, not because I have 1 million subscribers, not because I have a silver play button, but because I have a voice that is heard, cherished, and loved by a community that is less than 1,000 strong, but is mightier than any army. So to recap, the journey from being a regular Joe to being a YouTuber was not about numbers, it was about connections. It was about finding my voice, my passion, and sharing it with the world. It was about changing the narrative of success, one subscriber at a time. And that, my friends, is the power of YouTube. It's not about the millions, it's about the one story, the one connection, the one moment that can change everything. So if you have a story to tell, a passion to share, don't wait for the thousands. Start with one. Because remember, every journey begins with a single step.